All right, guys, we've got the Anbeser Foldable storage box with plastic lid. This is a storage container. It's like a closet organizer, but it's something that's so aesthetically good looking that you could actually keep it out on your countertop as like a shelf or a storage box. So it's also super easy to put together. And I'm going to do it right here on the spot. Just to kind of show you how easy it is to do. All right, got that side in, got that side in. Wow, this is so easy. This is so easy to do. And look how good it looks. This is such a good looking. I'm going to actually set it up on a table to show you with some stuff in it, but dude, literally I took it out of the box, put it together in about 30 seconds. It has such a sleek look to it. It's got doors that open very easily. You could store clothes. You could use this in your kitchen to store dishes or store pots or pans. So a couple things I just wanted to show you that I really like about it. To open it up, all you do is do that, and it comes right open, and it locks shut. So I like that about the front. Another thing, what are you noticing here? That's right. There's wheels. This thing is super sleek. I love the aesthetic. It's minimalist, but it's an aesthetic look. And this is super versatile, easy to use. The wheels make it roll extremely easy. Let's see it in action. All right, guys, here it is live and in color. So I've actually got it on my kitchen counter. And what I decided to do is I decided to use it just to store some cups. I've got a couple glasses and a couple coffee mugs in there. I think this is great for using in your closet, in like your pantry area, or just in your kitchen to store some things. They're also stackable. And don't forget, it moves with wheels. So I think this is a super flexible, great storage container. And I honestly think it looks really good. Super easy to put together. I think you should get it.